mates. I man see dung panny black and I am mates. Wagwana Jamaica. When I man say greetings, you know, and it was Imperial Majesty King Jesus Christ. Never shake yet, ever stable. Earthquake shake while there's some boy friend on the table. Mates. And I hear some of the them say a long time I hear from Rasta Jawge and all these things, you know. Some of the them know I, some don't know I. Some of the them miss I, and some don't miss I. Well, I'm on Rasta Jawge, don't miss none neither. So I stand up on the black and iron mates, you know. As you know, I'm on Rasta Jawge always forward up into the hills from where come and I help for all the meds with Jah and to go closer to the creator. So I fought back down in the Gideon, in the concrete jungle. And I hear a sort of alabaloo about earthquake and who get shake from who get shake. And who traumatize and dramatize and who scrutinize and all these things, you know. And I Rasta Jawge think about it, that I never feel an earthquake from I born in the children. You dig? And I've never felt an earthquake because I planted from a firm foundation. Jah is the rock upon which I stand. And if Jah never shake yet, or Rasta Jawge feel earthquake. So I turn on the magic box and I hear them say the earthquake must be 5.4 or 5.6 on the Richter scale or something like that. But I don't feel like a shake hard enough, you know. Because I know Rasta Jawge been watching two Sourstop over 2 weeks now. That is supposed to be ripe up in the top of high tree. And with all that shaking when I go on, them don't drop yet Rasta. That means the shaking I go on good then. And then I Cub, Simba, I go show I some stuff on Instagram and on the TikTok and all these things, you know. I show the eye how people are ball about Jesus on one mouth, and on the next mouth them are ball out blood. Hey, you need to leave out the father name out on the mouth. Fix up on the fallow ground. You know, I know Rasta Jawge and meticulously scrutinize, you know, with all that shaking going on, you know, and the pandemonium, you know. And I still realize when you still bad mind, when you still grudgeful, when you still have hatred in the heart and all them things there, you know. Johnny, if you shake again, if you shake off all that pestilence and bad mind and all the witchcraft and hobby I want to work on them things there, you know. And on the next hand, some of them not ball out, so I don't want to meet God and all these things, and I don't want to meet the Father, I don't want to meet the Maker. But when like a earthquake and shake when I ball out and I beg God, don't you take, you know. I don't want to meet him. And I also just meticulously scrutinize what Jah is trying to say to all of us. We need to shake up a fallow ground. Stop the pestilentious living and the dirty living and the nasty living and living that is not good and right. And to the Father, hold a firm meditation and live in a way that is righteous. Our Jah can shake them again and show them who are boss. You dig? Mans.